Are you tired washing dishes and confused by a dishwasher? Then this is the video for you. There are so many myths related to dishwasher that it may consume more water, electricity and time, but these are wrong beliefs. The major advantage of having a dishwasher is a clutter-free kitchen and more hygienic dishes as it is getting washed in hot water and effectively sanitized than the regular tap water. And the other major thing is save on utility bills by using less water than the regular hand wash. And last but not the least, you'll have a softer and smoother hands. Do follow Comfort Interiors for more similar tips.